This is kind of a mystery product for me. I was told that this one will get a CNC'd shell and it is from Kefine. I know these facts, but I was not told that uh, of the specification or anything like that. I'm not exactly sure this one has dynamic drivers in them or not, but this is, I believe, is a DD based IEM and a follow up to the Kefine Clanar. Clanar used a 14.5 planar driver, and this one is supposed to be a DD based IEM. Looks nice, looks nice in my opinion. It looks fairly similar to the uh, Clanar. I was told that the shell is CNC'd and is fairly premium. If you look at the specification, yes, it's a 10 dynamic driver, and Delci is the name. Fine, looks fairly similar to the Clanar in my opinion. And if you look into the specification a bit more, 3.5 cable, there is nothing fancy at all. Let's open it up and we will have another look at the specification. You guys can see we get a 3.5 single-ended cable and 28 ohm of impedance, which is fairly good. I believe no issues with the impedance or anything like that, so that is a good thing. And let's have a look what we get when we pay around $100. I'm not exactly sure what the uh, asking price of this. Okay, I was thinking that this will look very similar to the Klana, but it kind of looks different. Slightly longer nozzle maybe, and there are some angular designs too. And the back plate has a bit of a protrusion, and it looks nice. It looks nice, and the gray color looks nice too. I think the nozzle size is similar to the Klana, but this one looks very good. No issues with the looks, and here we go again. I'm struggling with the nozzle. I'll uh, set it aside. I don't want to struggle with that. Uh, looks nice. Looks nice. No issues with the earpieces. I like the design and stuff. Nothing there. Everything is placed inside the carry case. And if we look at the carry case, this one looks nice. This one looks very good. Let's compare it with the planar case. Planar case is with cloth cloth cover and is slightly on the shallower side. This one is more deeper and can carry a bit more, I guess. I find the Delci case to be better. I exactly same cable, no questions about that. Exactly same cable as the Clanar, but it is okay. It is perfectly fine. It doesn't look any different, and same set of tips too. So the tips and cables are exactly same, wide bore and narrow bore of three sizes. If we look into the cable a bit, okay, come on. This is what I struggle with, so you guys can understand. In any case, if we look at the cable, it is the exactly same cable we get with the Clanar, with different colored connectors, gray color connectors to match the earpiece. So yeah, that is okay. I did not find the Clanar cable to be bad or anything, so that is okay. I do not mind at all. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Kefine Delci. I will compare it with the Clanar and a couple other IMs in this price range. So this is it. Thank you for watching.